Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Song-gang and Suzy fortune harmony analysis. A YouTube subscriber has applied for the combination of sweet homes, Song-gang and beautiful Suzy's fortune. Their fortunes are very unique and unusual. Let's analyze it together. Song-gang and Suzy are the same rich land as the fortune. Rich land is very realistic and self-care well. They have something in common, and they are allied with the letters that correspond to honor in their fortune. Suzy has two associations. The case of honor and union is very honor-oriented, so they try to do the right thing, and they become handsome with their faces, very straight faces. And Song-gang has a letter that means popularity in fortune. It's a letter marked with a pink heart. Suzy doesn't have a letter that means popularity, but she has a lot of talent as an entertainer in her fortune. And the letter of honor for women means man, which is a fortune structure that can be thought of as men standing in line. Of course, she is popular. And Song-gang has a powerful energy that goes well with charisma and action in his fortune. Song-gang has a lot of energy that means himself in his fortune. And the rest are the letters that correspond to honor. These structures are very rare and should be interpreted as special fortune, and it's a charismatic fortune that goes well with action. He has the energy of a child, but he doesn't have the energy of a woman. Suzy also has a strong sense of herself and the energy of the energy input, and the rest are letters that mean honor and man. There are no letters for child. However, Suzy is generally concentrated in her own energy and can be served in a rare specialty while all the energy is concentrated in her energy as a fortune with two alliances. Their fortune is a special fortune in which the disadvantages of energy without them are less effective. They have a lot in common, but it's better to have a variety of energy in their fortune. Therefore, as a friend, the score is very high, but if they become a couple, I can give them 79%. I think it would be good to meet various people with fortune. Please develop further and be happy in the future. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.